In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Quontic Bank mobile app with a simple step-by-step installation guide that will ensure you're up and running in no time. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this process is straightforward and user-friendly, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the App Store if you're on an Apple device or the Play Store if you're using an Android device. These are the platforms that serve as digital marketplaces for various apps, much like online stores that house millions of applications for all kinds of purposes. They come pre-installed on almost all smartphones, and you can locate them on your home screen or in your app library. Just tap on the icon and it will bring you to the store's homepage. Now, once you've opened the store, you'll see a search bar usually located at the top of your screen. This search box is your gateway to finding any app. Simply tap on it to bring up your keyboard and carefully type Quontic mobile app. As you type, you might notice a drop-down menu suggesting possible searches. This feature helps you find what you're looking for a bit faster, so do keep an eye on that. Once you've completed typing, hit the search or enter key on your keyboard and let the store work its magic. After you press enter, you'll be presented with a list of results. Scroll through the list until you find the Quontic mobile app. Pay attention to the app icon and name to ensure you're selecting the official app, as sometimes there can be multiple apps with similar names. The app details page provides useful information like user reviews and additional details about the app's functionality. Feel free to glance through it if you wish before moving on to the next step. Finally, the last and simplest step is to click Install. For iPhone users, this button might say Get, and you may be prompted to verify your Apple ID credentials or use Face ID for authorization. Similarly, Android users might see a similar prompt asking for confirmation. This is a security measure to protect your device from unauthorized installations. Once you've confirmed, the download and installation process will automatically begin. You'll see a progress circle or bar indicating the status of the download, and that's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully downloaded the Quontic Bank mobile app. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, ready for you to start exploring and using all its features. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps or reach out to the app's support team for assistance. Enjoy your seamless banking experience with Quontic Bank.